Hi everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show today's Leetcode problem. Today's Leetcode problem is k different pairs in an array. So first of all, understand the problem statement, and after that we will see the approach that how to solve this problem. So let's try to read the problem statement. Given an array of integer nums and integer k, we have given one nums array and an integer k. Return the number of unique k-diff pair in an array. Basically, in the problem statement, we have given a array and also a k in a value, okay, and we have to find the two pair, that is I or j, such that the difference between these two is equal to k. Okay, so let's try to see the test cases, and after that we will understand this problem very well. Okay, so see, if I consider this example that we have given nums array that is 3 1 4 1 5, and we have given a k is equal to 2. So we have to find the unique pair such that the difference between the two, that is, if I consider here 3 and 1, so difference between these two, absolute of these two is equal to 2. So we get this pair 1, and 1 also get 3 and 1. Okay, so another get 3 and 1, we also get 2, but we have to return only unique pair. These two are not unique, so we have to take care of that things. And also, if I consider this pair like 3 and 5, so the absolute difference between both of these pair is equal to 2. So we have to return the unique pair that gives the absolute difference is equal to 2. If I consider this example, then see, in this example we have to find the pair such that the difference is equal to 1. So if I consider these two, then we have get one difference. If these two, okay, so we have 4 such pair that gives the value is equal to 1. Okay, and similarly, if I consider these things, if see, we have given k is equal to 0. So if k is equal to 0, then we have only get k is equal to 0 when the two element are equal. Okay, two element equal. Okay, so if two element are equal, how many times that element equal, then that element give the pair. So here 1 1 occurs 2 times, so we have to get the required k value. So let's try to see the approach that how we will solve this problem. So see, in this problem, suppose we take a map, and in the map we calculate the frequency of all the elements. Okay, frequency of all elements. Suppose in this problem, if I consider the frequency of each element, like see, 3 occur one time, 1 occur also 2 times, see, 1 occur here as well as here, 4 occur 1 time, and 5 also occur 1 time. Okay, so in the frequency array, if suppose if here k is equal to 0, so if k is equal to 0, this happens only when we get two element having equal. So here the two element equal is equal to 1, so we get only 1 1 as the required pair that gives the k is equal to 0. But here k is equal to 2, so we have to find two pair, that is I minus j is equal to k. Okay, so if I find two pair, difference between two pair such that we get value is equal to k. So if I did like I minus k is equal to j, if I find these things, then we have to get the required result. Okay, so let's try to do this approach. Okay, so what I did that in the map, in the unordered map, we get the frequency of each element. Okay, 1 occur 2 times, and 4 occur 1 times, and 5 also occur 1 time, and again iterate the map from the beginning. Suppose in the first key is value, and one is how many times that occur. Okay, so it iterates from 3. So first we get 3 and we have to find the value is equal to 2. Okay, so subtract 2 with the value and we get 1. So we have to find whether 1 is present in the map or not. If it is present, then increase the count plus count is increased by one time, not we will increase the how many times one occur. If we increase how many times one occur, then we get the duplicate pair. Suppose see, if 3 is at there and we have to find one occur or not. So if I increase the how many times one occur, then we get two two identical pair, but we have to find the unique pair. So we have to only increase the count value one time, such that we will not get the duplicate pair. So we have to take care of that things. We only increase the count value one time, not we will increase the value that how many times one is occur in the map. Okay, so we get one pair, that pair is equal to 3 1. So count is equal to 1. Initially count is 0. Okay, again we come here 1, we are at 1 and subtract 1 with k. Okay, k equal to 2, so we get -1. So we have to find in the map whether -1 present or not. So see, in this map -1 is not present. So be nothing to do in the contrary, we simply increase the pointer. So now we are at 4. So check whether 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 exist in the map or not. So no, not exist. So leave it. Again we come here 5. So see, 5 minus 2 barabar 3. 3 exist in the map or not? Yes, 3 exists there. Again increase the counter by 1. So we get another pair. That pair is 5 3. So we get these two pair, that is 3 1 and 5 2. So we have to return the count. So here we get the answer is equal to 2. Okay, so we have to take care of two things, like if we get that value in the map, that value is equal to that value, let's suppose 3 and minus k. If we get in the map, then we have to only increase the count value by 1, not increase that how many times count occur, because if I increase how many times count occur, then we will get the duplicate pair of that things. So in the question we have to return only unique pair. Okay, and if k is equal to 0, then in that cases we have only check. Suppose in this problem statement, if I take in the map, then 1 occurs 2 times and 3 occurs 1 time and 5 occurs 1 time and 4 occurs 1 time, and here k is equal to 0. If k is equal to 0, then we have to only see the element that occurred twice. So here 1 occur 2 times, so we have only get one pair. Okay, suppose the 3 occur also 2 times, so there is a one also possible pair, that is 3 3. So in that case we have to return count is equal to 2. But here in this question, in this example, we have only one element that occur 2 times, so we have to return 1. Okay, I hope you all understand the approach of solving this problem. So let's try to see the code and for better understanding. So what I have discussed, I will do that all things in the code section. So let's try to understand. See, I take an unordered map in which I count the occurrence of each element in the map. So in that case we have calculated like 3 occurs 1 time, 1 occurs 2 time, and 4 also occur 1 time, and 5 occur 1 time. And after that we iterate the map iterated from this point. And if k is equal to 0, so k is equal to 0, it means that we have to find only equal number of equal number. So suppose in this case only 2 occur equal number of time. Okay, so if the it dot second, this one is represented as it dot first and this one is represented as it dot second. If it dot second is greater than equal to 2, it means that we get the required pair of k is equal to 3. Suppose 3 occurs 2 times, then we get 3 pair, because 3 minus 3 is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. So we increase the count is equal to 1. If not k is equal to not 0, then we have to find 3, that is in this question k is equal to 2. So we have to find it dot first, that is 3 minus 2k, and we have to find whether 1 exists or not. So in this case 1 exists, but the occurrence of 1 is 2, so we are not going to increase that how many times that 1 occur, but we have only increased count value is equal to 1 time, because if we increase count is equal to how many times 2 occur, then we get duplicate pair like 3 1 as well as 3 1, but we have to only find the unique pair. So we increase the count by 1 here also, and after iterating this map we get the total number of pairs occur in this array. So we have to return the count. So this is the code, and I hope you all understand very well. So let's try to submit this code and see what happens. So if you submit this code, then see, it will be correct for these cases, and if you try to submit for all the test cases, then it will be correct for all the test cases. So thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.